gold is not in her. She's a diamond under her. Wanna lay it down, I'll try my heart. Don't I know?
Hi guys, it's Aleema. Welcome to my channel if you're new. Welcome back if you're not. So today's video is going to be a tour of my new apartment. If you guys would like to see where I'm currently living, then please keep watching. This home tour was filmed on the beginning of May, so pretty much a month ago. It's now the middle of June. So this is the stairs to the apartment. The apartment has a private entrance for every apartment. So stairs, come up the stairs, it's a window, the beginning of garbage, one random shoe because I found a bug and I had to kill it, so the other one is in the other room close by. Then we have the kitchen. It's a mess. It's very small, but you know, for your first apartment, I think it does the job. So I just wish the appliances weren't white, and I wish the tabletop counters weren't such a light color. Garbage, a mess. And then I believe I'm going to turn this into the dining area. Boxes. It's a nice window. Around to the living room. This is where I was just standing. Don't have a mattress yet, so this is what that is. Have an air mattress so far right now. More boxes. I was setting up the bed frame today, so that is. We're going to the bedroom. This cart, I've had for my hair stuff. The wheel came off when we had to take it out the house. It's the bathroom. I want to get nicer shower curtains. This is decent. I got it from my mom. But I don't like this mat already. It's only been here for a couple of days and it's already attracting all the dirt in the world. I mean, it's just, hope you can see it with so much white plus stuff on it. Shower, nothing really in it. Just this cabinet. Everything's pretty much bare and blank. I have so much stuff to take out, and so far, there's a closet right here. It's the bedroom. So I spent the majority of my time so far setting up this bed frame. And then, well, first I put together my IKEA drawers and the lemon desk. Though now it's very rocky. The drawers, one of the, I guess the feet fell off, so that was rocky too, but I put some cardboard. I can't figure out why this one stand up won't stop rocking, so. Yeah, there's two closets. And these are just a whole bunch of stuff. Hopefully Verizon will drop off something so I can get some internet soon. That would be very nice. This closet is here by the stairs. Like, there's just nothing nowhere. And then this is, I forgot, I think it's the AC unit or something, like the central air unit or something. We don't have access to it. Like, it's a waste of space being in the apartment, but yeah, that's there. So yeah, that's what I have going on with the desk. For some reason, like I said before, the desk is not stable, so the stuff that I had on my vanity, I'm not putting out right now, so I figured that out. This is a mattress cover, still waiting for the mattress. Sneakers. The sneakers that I'm missing are in this room somewhere. I have to find them. I filled up the drawers. I don't know. I guess there's stuff that I had on the table that I now have in here now. These here, my makeup kit's over there. These are dirty brushes I need to wash. My skincare fridge, I need to plug that in, but this outlet actually doesn't work. This one does, and this one does. So I have to email the leasing place about that. My closet, so far, I did put my sneakers up there. I still have space over there on the right. And then up here, I don't know what I'm gonna put up here, but I can't reach it right now, so I need to buy a stool of some sorts. In the bathroom, there's really nothing else to do there. All these pots I had here, I washed them because I just didn't. So on my phone, my mom said just wash them and leave them out. So I washed them. They're out. I just took these out of boxes. I broke down a lot of the boxes. And I attempted to break down this box. It's really, really thick. This is a really sturdy box. And this is what this airbag came out of, their mattress. And now I'm about to take the plastic bag off of those aloe vera plants because I don't want them to cause it to get root rot by retaining water and all that. So that's it for now. So we're tuning into my mostly empty apartment tour. We have made some additions to this apartment since then. I think when we're mostly done, I don't know if it will be fully done, but when we are mostly done, I will do sorry, someone's like walking around. I will do like a furnished home tour, I guess.